Assalamu alaikum class 10th. Hope you all are fine. 10th class, you know that we have started chapter number 13, sports and movements. In previous lectures we learned about the movement of muscles. Today our topic is disorder of skeletal system. In this topic we learn about the disorders of skeletal systems and different diseases of bones. First we have osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is a bone disease in adults, especially in old people. Osteoporosis is a bone disease and mostly occur in adult peoples and old peoples. It is more common in old women. Okay, that disease is more common in old women. In osteoporosis, there is an decreases in the density of bones due to the loss of calcium and phosphorus. The result of osteoporosis. Why osteoporosis caused? Osteoporosis is caused due to the deficiency of calcium and phosphorus in our diet. It may be due to malnutrition, lack of protein and vitamin C. And another cause is malnutrition and proteins and vitamin C in our diet. Lack of physical activities or deficiency of estrogen hormone. In old age, there is decreased. The another causes of osteoporosis is lack of physical activities and deficiency of estrogen hormone. Okay, there is decreased secretion of growth hormone, and it is leads to the decreased deposition of mineral in bone matrix. If the growth hormone is decreased, the deficiency of that hormone is decreased, so the result of this, the deposition of minerals in the bone matrix is decreased also. That's the reasons cause osteoporosis. Next disorder is arthritis. Arthritis means inflammation in joints. Okay, in the result of arthritis you feel pain in joints. It is also very common in old age and in women. This is also very common in old age people and mostly in women. It is characterized by pain and stiffness in joints. At the result of arthritis you feel pain in joints. Okay, the treatment of arthritis includes painkiller and anti-inflammatory medicines. There are many types of arthritis, for example osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, gout. There are three main types of arthritis. It is due to the degeneration in the cartilage present at joints or due to the decreased lubricant production at joints. Due to the decreased lubrication in joints, that causes osteoarthritis. Next one is rheumatoid arthritis. It involves the inflammation of members at joints. Its symptoms include fatigue, low grade fever, pain and stiffness in joint. Gout is characterized by accumulation of uric acid and crystals in movable joints. It generally attacks the toe joints. Okay, if there is a lots of crystals are stitched in joints and that causes the disease, their name is gout, and mostly that diseases occur in toe joints. Okay, today we learn about osteoporosis and arthritis. This is very important. You must learn these topics, and you also learn and write these topics in your neat notebook in the form of points. Okay, not in the form of paragraph. You must learn in the form of points and give must headings for clearance. Okay class, Allah Hafiz.